Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare ATX mid-tower case versus full comparison. Follow along as I walk you through size, cooling, compatibility, and value so you can choose the right case for your build. I will explain thermal differences, drive bay counts, GPU and radiator clearance, noise trade-offs, and cost considerations. My aim is to give practical guidance and clear comparisons so you leave knowing which case fits your priorities and budget. Let's dive into size and cooling in approachable terms so you can visualize how each case performs in real use. Mid-towers typically balance compact footprints with adequate cooling for mainstream components, while full towers excel at multi-radiator setups and dense fan arrays. I'll describe how fan placement, front panel choice, and internal layout affect temperatures, noise, and clearance, helping you decide which trade-offs match your priorities and setup. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. On another note, Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I mentioned. They make packing snacks for long builds laughably simple. Check the description for the link and other deals. Your support helps the channel grow, and now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover compatibility and costs so you avoid common purchase regrets. Measure GPU length, cooler height, and PSU depth to ensure a proper fit, since tower type alone doesn't guarantee compatibility. Full towers reduce constraints for multi-GPU or custom loops, but increase cost and desk footprint. Mid-towers are often the best value for most users, offering solid features without unnecessary size or expense for everyday builds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.